Hi, Baka. So what we're going to do now is we are going to have this go into here through there, and then there's a little washer that's going to come on this side to help prevent the water from leaking out. And there's like a little plastic washer. So we got to drill some holes. We're going to need that table. We're going to use this to drill those holes. We got some glue goop we're going to use to double secure it, make sure it doesn't leak. Hopefully this works, and I'm going to put you on time lapse to watch. Here we go. Hello folks, well here I am out here. We got a red bucket right there. That red bucket has been repaired and needs to go at the end of my system right there next to where that basket is, and it'll drain into that pipe. It's open. So here we go. Put you guys on time lapse. Of course, there's a bar right in the middle of the way. Well, here we are, guys. Again, we are going to try to drill some holes in some ABS and plant those guys right there. They should be going right here. All right. Otherwise, I think, here we go.